Hi, you guys. So I just wanted to come and touch on Megan and Tory court date. What's today? Now they keep moving this court date. So at the end of the day, the court date was moved to April 5th. So nothing really happened today. But it sounds as if DJ Akademiks wanted to come out and jump on Twitter and make it sound as if there was a whole lot going on in the courtroom. And Megan had to put the check down and kind of let him know that he was spreading wrong information. Now, a lot of people on Twitter had jokes, of course, and they were saying the YouTubers and the bloggers and, people, they're just not learning from that whole Tasha K situation. So I don't know. He, of course, then deleted that tweet, but, people had already taken a picture of it, so it was out there. He came back and said pretty much what Megan said, that the judge did not do anything but change the date to April 5th. So they now have a new court date. This whole situation keeps getting moved further and further out. I don't know. I don't know what to think about that. I don't know. I don't know if that's helping him or not. As far as helping Tory, I guess give him more time or whatever. But I'm sure Megan is over it, right? I'm sure she's just ready for all of this to go away, because then you have to keep reliving it and then reliving all this nasty stuff that people are saying in her comments and saying on Twitter and saying all over the place. All these YouTubers giving their opinions, including myself. You have to deal with all of that. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure she's just fit to be tired of the whole thing. So yeah, DJ Akademiks, he was in rare form. I don't know. I don't know a lot about him. I didn't know he was like that, but I'm assuming he has some type of friendship with Tory. That's the only thing I could think. Of course, Tory himself started putting stuff out there saying that he didn't apologize to Megan. The only thing he apologized was the fact that he was trying to go between two best friends, and I'm saying this nicely. And then that's when Pardi came into the conversation, and he kind of told him, don't address her anymore, talk to me. Then he kind of said some things. They said some things back and forth, and I think they still are. Like, people are still saying things on Twitter. Then DJ Akademiks and Tasha K, they kind of started going at it, because Tasha kind of chimed in, and because people brought her name up saying you guys didn't learn anything from the Tasha K situation. And then they started saying they want DJ Akademiks to get the same treatment as Tasha. And so I guess when she see her name coming up in these conversations, she kind of just chimed in and said, of course, you guys know DJ Akademiks was saying some things about Tasha anyway, because she interviewed those two young ladies who claimed that he gave them some bad treatment after inviting them to New York or Miami, somewhere. And so she just kind of said, DJ Alvin, I don't know what his name is. Is his name Alvin? I don't know. But she just kind of said, you need to leave Megan alone and kind of stay out of it. And that's true, because only 4 people were in the truck, and you would have been in Los Angeles to witness this, right? So DJ Akademiks was not there. So what can he really add to what happened, right? To be really honest, what can any of us add to it? Everything that we're saying is just our opinion. And the whole thing is still allegedly, because he is innocent until proven guilty. But there is a reason that these charges were brought up on him. Okay, so we all understand that, but we do need to wait and let everything play out in the courtroom. So he, of course, DJ Akademiks kind of went in on Tasha again and started saying all this nasty stuff. Now, like I said, when she starts going in, and then when she starts bringing all these people on her platform, he's probably not going to like it. But let me know what you guys think about this story in the comments. And how do you feel about the fact that the date keeps getting moved? Oh, you know, and someone from the actual media on Twitter also chimed in, you know, the real media, mainstream media, and said that nothing was said about DNA in court today, right? To really just put it out there, nothing was said about DNA today. And the fact that the judge even moved the date kind of lets you know that they didn't even start any type of a process to start hearing evidence today. So yeah, so someone from the media, she actually posted on Twitter, or someone reposted whatever she posted on her page and stated that there was no DNA evidence today. So, but I think DJ Akademiks had already came back and tried to clean it up after people started threatening, you know, the defamation and all of that, right? You kind of putting stuff out here that's not true. See, that whole Tasha K and Cardi B thing can go. It can kind of work both ways on some of these people, right? So, you know, you guys are saying all this stuff, but you should be careful of the stuff you're putting out here as well. But I digress. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about all of this. And then the last part, I was noticing that Nick Cannon brought up Tasha and Cardi B today on his show, as far as Tasha was in that interview, I put it on? I think I put it on this channel, because I'm working on the other channel too. Go and check out my other channel, The Rant Room. She was stating that she doesn't, you know, she don't have close to $4 million to give the lady. So he was kind of talking about that. He thought it was kind of funny how she said, I ain't got it. But yeah, if she's not worth $4 million, she's not worth $4 million. It could be funny, but people shouldn't sue people for things that they don't have. Now, I don't know how that works, because even if they took all of her assets from her, everything that she had, everything she owns, will it add up to $4 million? And this is why that part of that, what people think can happen, don't make sense. Because even if they took everything that Tasha K owned, they still wouldn't get $4 million. And if you take somebody out of their livelihood, how is she supposed to continue to earn money to even get to a point of paying her anything? So I don't think the courthouse work like that. Like I said in that other video, Andrew still haven't paid Cordell that money or he doesn't have $3 million. And there's no payment plan to put somebody on when they're not making, and they're probably not even making $100,000 a year. How are you gonna put somebody on a payment plan to pay somebody $3 million? Like, make that make sense. And what is that going to do for Cordell, just to say he's getting something from him? I don't know. You know, I guess it depends on how these people feel, if they're petty on petty like that. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about all of this in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.